This is leaving Limestone Creek, nice rocky section. That's probably parallel, so you lose the perspective when you look. That's quite steep. Killed it.
Far out. This is far.
This is Mount Hotham. Mr. Brendan.
Hey.
Dale.
There's Mark. You get the boys in the revision.
Next bend. There's the boys. We gentlemen.
Mount Hotham.
Mount Hotham.
We've started running today though.
We are about to take on Blue Rag track. Just finishing the air in our tyres. Blue Rag track this way.
Here we are at the Blue Rag Trig Point, top of Victoria. It's coming down Blue Rag, the boys. And this is a lot steeper than it looks. Like if I'm looking horizontal, it's there.
There's a bit of darkness sort of stuff on there. Oh, it's like on the other one.
Any commentary?
Pretty good so far. Dusty. See the fear on Brendan's face.
How's the sphincter?
Fuck it. There was one bit at a sharp right where I lost a bit of traction, but they seem to be on a right. They're past it.
Killed it! Killed it! You got one! This is bounce cam from the Blue Rag turn-off section where you go to, I think, Talbotville. We're at Supreme Leader vehicle, car 1.
Car 1, Supreme Leader.
How's the sphincter?
It's alright, it will be tighter. I think it's tighter every 500 metres.
As we get close to the...
It's like the, what's the scale? What's the earthquake scale? Richter scale.
Yeah.
It scales up with each level.
Would you call it the rectum scale?
The rectum scale? The Richter? Sphincter scale?
Sphincter scale. Oh well. What a way to go. This is magic. We're doing the Cool Mint Challenge. Who can go the longest without chewing it? Are you ready, Brendan?
I'm ready.
Take said mint and go.
Damn it!
This is the campsite at Italian Flat, at which we are eating. What are we having, Jaden?
Spaghetti carbonara.
A good Italian dish for Italian Flat campsite. Brennan's off to do a sneaky fossick, I suspect. By the river. Breno! Ah, he's got a dart. Hello!
Well, I grew up quick and I grew up mean, and my fists got hard and my wits got keen. I roamed from town to town to hide my shame. When I made a vow to the moon and stars, I'd search the honky tonks and bars, kill that man who gave me that awful name. And I was feeling Whitney, me and my homies sipped to Houston. The cousin close thought I was winning, you knew I was losing. You told me to wake up, but my clock always stays on snoozing. I'm done.
Can you lift that up a little bit, Mark? Just for a sec.
To each their own, and find peace and knowing, and always broken, but here's
Can you
to
lift it up again, Mark?
hope.
Sorry, just place it up there.
No emotion.
I shot it up
Against
Flick
your
it away.
holding, just act as hard as you can. Don't need a friend, for you're the man.